What's going on, y'all? This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We're back out on Scenic 98 taking some more pictures of our super cool classics. We're here in Destin, Florida, looking at the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico. Y'all be sure to come on down if you can. This truck dang near matches the water here. It is it's a super clean truck, a 58 Chevrolet short wheelbase 3100. Just an absolutely gorgeous paint job on here. So this truck does have a little history on it that is kind of unique. National Parts Depot had this truck commissioned to be restored. It was about 15 years ago for their catalog, and so they restored this truck exactly as original. Restored it well to take pictures of different parts and trucks for their catalog. So that's kind of where the restoration came from. It's super straight, super clean. Got a nice wood bed with stainless strips back there. Glass and weather stripping's all excellent condition. Bumpers all excellent condition. No dents in it anywhere. Tires and rims, excellent shape. All the steps, super clean. Bottom of the windows, no issues. Even the drip rails, super nice, super clean. Gas tank is still behind the cab, as it would have originally. Has been converted to 12 volt. Fires right up though, no issues. Gauges are working. Headliner's there. All the bottom of the doors all in excellent shape. Sorry, this dude up here. Still the pedal shifter. Fires right up, no gas. That's a no pressing the gas pedal. Factory bin there. Still got the original 235 Thrift Master. Running like a sewing machine. They say that the mechanics started making V8s so the mechanics could make some money. Anyway, that motor's just running super nice. No issues at all. Runs all day long. Full bath air cleaner, got a new radiator. All the fender aprons, underside of the hood, all in excellent condition. No issues at all. Anyway, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the walk around video of the truck. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Josh with Drive the Coast. I own everything here. We own all of our inventory. We also have financing available for those that need it. 10% down, 680 credit score. Anyway, if anything I can do to help you, please let me know. Let's see if we can drive this a little bit. I'm going to sign off for now, y'all, but have a wonderful day.